Deepika, look here. One second, slowly guys. She's the brand ambassador for Maybelline New York. Moisture Extreme, new shade lipstick that's out of 34 shades. Specially made for Indian. Deepika, look here, opposite here. Hold it. Deepika, look here. Now look here, Deepika, wait, hold it. Now look here. Press favorite as well. Deepika here. Deepika, look here. Deepika here, Deepika. Deepika here, now here. Deepika here, Deepika. Deepika here, look here. Yeah. Ma'am, look here, hold it. Deepika, look here, no thanks. No thanks. Now look here. Deepika, look here. Thank you so much for coming. Deepika, look here. Look here. Deepika here.
Personally, I don't like wearing a lot of makeup on a day-to-day basis, but what I do use is the gel atoms from Maybelline because it has this creamy texture and it as well as very just a moisturizer, so it really works for the Indian weather. Then I do use the Lash Stylist, which is one of the best.
It's good because we don't know about it. But yeah, with more appreciation, you will definitely try it out. Another thing also is this your normal sense of style or are you relaxed, chilled out?
In fact, I also feel that...
You know, Moisture Extreme in 34 shades is the latest one. We're actually going to have a little photo op with everybody. We've got a few people, lucky ones will get some photo ops with her. And she's going to be here as well. So I just want you guys to just keep a little bit of order. You just move them a little bit. Aram se. Ab hamare dost bhi hain. Yeah, give up. Right, so girls, are you ready? Now will you come on stage? Are you still? Don't worry, even I realize she's very bored. Even I have to look up. Okay, so very simple question. What is the tagline of Maybelline New York?
Maybe she's confident, maybe it's Maybelline.
I'm going to make it simple. Trust me, I still got some people who didn't answer. Okay. 3. What do you have? 34. You sure? Well, you wouldn't want to switch over to 44? Because this is just a promotional campaign. They might just have more later. Are you sure? Okay. What I'm going to do is jump across. There you go. Righty, can we have somebody else on stage? Could I have a gentleman who wants to dena chahenge? Pyar ke alawa. Aur kya dena chahenge?
All right. Thank you.
I'm just going to do this once more, then what we're going to do is we're going to cut across to some photo ops. We'll just take you across to the photo ops. Photo opportunities will come. One sec.
Madam. Deepika, this corner, please. Yeah.
Please relax. This is just a photo opportunity. उसके बाद अलग से television bites होंगे. Vishesh, please smile. You're also in most of the shots. It'll look nice. And all the girls at the back also smile. This is going to go on national television, darlings. Enjoy it. Your children, your family, your friends will enjoy this. Whenever you feel okay with it, you can take the mic. Whenever you.
The television can also take the bites. We will split the television channels, and then one-on-ones can be given to her. So.
Deepika,
One last time. Sir.